Don't forget to subscribe. Hello everyone, and this is how I look like in the morning. Let's go ahead and retie my hair so I look a bit decent on video. So before I get started on the fresh cleansed face, I like to use this face roller. It's super cold as you can see, but it feels so nice on the skin, especially right at my temples, the center of my forehead. It just feels really soothing and calming. I know I haven't filmed any type of videos in quite a long time, 4 months and some change to be exact. However, I think I'll save another chit-chatty video on where I've been. So I haven't finished any products in such a long time, but this ordinary serum with hyaluronic acid is something that I've been using. So stay tuned for another video where I will be talking about some of my current favorites. I'm going to go ahead and seal this in with a daily moisturizer. Next, I'm going to use this BADESCU. It's so funny. It's so hard to pronounce the name correctly. This is his eye cream that I love using. I also been loving this ILIA eye primer. Currently, I'm not using the product. I'm just using the applicator, which is a cooling metal tip to help depuff and soothe and calms the eyes. Then I'm going to use my fingers and just pat in the remaining product gently. Oh, I've also been using this lip balm. You can see it's literally flat because I've actually used it all because winter was cold. The last skin prep will be priming the eyes, and then we're going to move on to eyebrows. I'm definitely rusty in filming videos, as it clearly shows. There's gonna be out of focus parts that I had to edit out, me looking at the viewfinder, but just doing my same old brow routine at the moment. And if you guys are curious to know what types of products I'm using, it's the same old stuff and haven't changed. But I'll go ahead and link everything down in the info box for you guys. Today I wanted to create a nice springy but kind of daytime glam, not too dark but a bit smoky. So I'm going to use the Primrose palette here. I'm going to be using these new brushes that I bought. I bought these back during the holidays, so like I mentioned about a next favorites video or just a get ready chit chatty videos, I do have a lot of products to talk about, so if you guys haven't, subscribe to the channel. Also, I decided to go for a more dramatic look with the smoky winged look, so I'm going to use a good old-fashioned scotch tape and just gotta make sure it's nice and even, not lopsided, because it happens. So I'm starting off with this orangey color. I know it's kind of weird, but it's a color that's going to be working with other colors to build with. And using these new brushes are so nice because I feel like they're easy to use and map out, especially with my eye shape, and it kind of forces me to use new techniques when blending shadows. So I'm just focusing the shadows on the outer parts of my eyes and working my way in, kind of rounding out my crease. Okay, I thought I saw my lights flicker, I wasn't too sure, but oh, what's going on? Hello? Okay, we're back to business. Oh, no, it's flickering again. What's going on here? As long as the power's not going out, it's all good. So I'm going to continue to build the shadows on my eyes, again working with lighter colors and gradually working with more deeper colors. And I'm just focusing the colors on the outer parts of the eyes and blending it in where it's nice and lighter on the inner parts of the eyes. Now we're working on the lid space. I'm using one of my favorite colors in this palette, which is called Rosewater. It's actually a very shimmery, light reflecting type of shadow. It's actually very creamy, so you can apply this on with a brush or your fingers. So as you can see, I pat it on first and then blending it out, just following the roundness of my eye shape for the center crease. Now moving on to the lashes, I'm going to curl them, then apply on the glue onto my lashes, and while that's tacking out, I'm going to apply on some mascara. This is the newest one from Sephora's collection. I decided to use a new pair of lashes. These are my favorite Kiss lashes. No, wait, I'm sorry. They're made by Ardell. They're called the Naked Lashes. I normally wear 421s and 422s. Like, I literally have like an inventory of them because I love them. They came out with a new one. I believe it's 433. I'll fact check that in a minute, but I think it's 433, and they're like literally 2 layers, and they kind of mimic lash extensions, but super soft feeling. Just taking the good old micellar water just to remove extra shadows under the eyes. Using another new product. This is a sunscreen, a perfect dupe for Supergoop sunscreen. It has that nice soft slippery feeling that kind of smooths the whole entire face. Now I'm going to use the ILIA's under eye prep. So using this product, it's not an eye cream, but it's like basically a primer for under the eyes. So again, keeps everything nice and smooth and wrinkle free under the eyes, because once makeup is applied under there, it can crease up. Also, during the holidays, Mira Beauty was nice enough to replenish the foundation and buffing brush to me again, along with other goodies. I just never had a chance to speak of it. Again, this foundation stick is so nice for foundation wear, a touch-up stick, under eye concealer. It's like a multi-stick, so it's definitely a perfect product to take with you when traveling and to work. And if you notice that I'm not using a big brush, it's because I'm using the foundation stick and I'm patting it into sections of my face because I want a very long wear and not a softer look. Let's go ahead and brighten under the eyes with this concealer, and using this Real Techniques buffing under eye brush. I actually don't know the name of this, but the brush is really long, it's tapered, and it has like a rounded slant, if you will. So cool. I'll speak more of this in my next video, but it's such a good under eye brush for liquids and creams. Just using a bronzer here just to sculpt up my cheeks, and I'm jumping back in with a banana powder just to set under the eyes and calling it a day on the face makeup. I'm going to finish up the eyes with a little bit of shadow, mascara on the top and lower lashes, and let's get ready to comb out this hair to curl. Just gonna go ahead and use my T3 curler. Nothing new, nothing old. Well, actually it is old style, but just want to do a quick wave in the hair, nothing crazy. And I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and brush everything out and make it super soft. And that is it for my first video of the year, guys. How did I do? I know I need some practice, but I know it's been a while, but I haven't forgotten about you guys. Please stay tuned for more video content. I miss you guys, and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye!